morning, everyone. We are moving into our last topic for math. So we're going to talk about geometric shapes and figures. So what are some of our geometric figures? We're just going to go over what they look like today. A point. This is a dot. A point, it looks just like a dot. They're the same thing. A line. A line needs to be straight, and it needs to go on forever in both directions. That's represented by two arrows. So a line is straight and it goes on forever. Two arrows. A line segment. This is a part of a line. So it is straight, but it's represented by having 2 points on each end of the line. That means it does not go on forever. It stops. Array. Array is a part of a line that has a starting point but does not have an ending point. So this dot, this point, could go on either side of the array, and on the other side there is an arrow signifying it's going on forever in one direction. Angles. We already know a lot about angles, but the definition of an angle is that it's where two lines, line segments, or rays intersect, where they cross, where they meet. That is what makes an angle an angle. We have two more. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines, so they are straight and they go on forever, that will never cross. So this is an example of parallel lines. If you extend these lines forever in both directions, they will never, ever, 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 ever meet. They will never touch. They are parallel. Here's another example of parallel lines. And finally, we have perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that cross to make a right angle. So you see these two lines cross, they look like an addition sign. And at the point where they intersect, where they cross, we can tell that these are 4 right angles. That's another example of perpendicular lines. They don't always have to be up and down. Okay, guys, that's it for our geometric figures today. Please let me know if you have any questions about your work.